Beginners, if you want to work out from a seated position, you totally can. Here's how to do it. First things first, you're going to need to engage your core. Tighten up your abs and make sure that your spine is aligned. Create a strong foundation. You're not holding your breath in, you can still breathe, but your abs are tight. This is to protect your back. If you need to, place some pillows behind your back for support. Now you can do all types of cardio. My favorite are jacks. There's a variety of what you can do. You can do front jacks, jab jacks. If you can't use your legs, that's totally fine. You can just use your arms as well. It's super effective. You can also do strength training. I have light dumbbells here. You can also use water bottles. These are shoulder presses, lateral raises, bicep curls, and seated rows for your back. And of course, you can do some mobility work like torso rotations, shoulder rolls, elbow to elbow, and a whole variety of stretches. I have tons of seated cardio, strength, and mobility exercises on my page. Just scroll down. And of course, if you want to follow along with me, head on to justinagustin.com. Hope this helped.